डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिलेशन फॉर डिटर्मिनेंट्स। डिटर्मिनेंट्स के हेल्प से मैट्रिक्स का कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप, जिसमें फर्स्ट है हमारा सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स। सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है? ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी A square matrix is said to be singular matrix if its determinant is zero. अगर किसी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स की डिटर्मिनेंट जीरो हो तो उस मैट्रिक्स को कहते हैं सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए matrix 1 matrix of order 2 into 2 whose element 1 2 4 8 is a singular matrix because why? So इनका determinant of A is determinant of this. After simplify we have determinant is 0. And second example, B is a singular matrix. Reason why B is a singular matrix? क्योंकि B का डिटर्मिनेंट जब हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे एक्सपेंडिंग अलॉन्ग R1, सो एक्सपेंडिंग अलॉन्ग R1 में क्या होगा कि R1 के एलिमेंट्स को हम साइड बाहर रखेंगे और रो 1 के एलिमेंट्स को पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगे। साथ ही साथ 1 के नीचे जो कॉलम होंगे वो नहीं लेंगे। सो वी हैव 5 2 6 3, क्योंकि 1 के साथ साथ ये जो 2 3 है वो नहीं आएंगे, साथ ही साथ 4 5 भी नहीं लेंगे। 1 5 6 2 3 and position of this is negative and 2 के नीचे जो कॉलम है कॉलम के एलिमेंट्स भी नहीं लेंगे। सो 4 1 6 3, उसी तरह से प्लस 3 4 1 5 2 और आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन after simplify determinant of B is 0. So B is a singular matrix. So singular matrix क्या हुआ कि जिस एक स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स जिसका डिटर्मिनेंट 0 हो उसे हम सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट, नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स। Non-singular matrix, a square matrix is said to be non-singular matrix if determinant not equal to 0. Example A matrix A is 1 2 3 4 is a non-singular matrix. Reason why? So determinant of A is -2, which is not equal to 0. So a non-singular matrix means their determinant not equal to 0 and singular matrix means determinant is 0. Question number 1, find x if matrix A whose element 1 2 x 6 is a singular matrix. Solution: since A is a singular matrix, so determinant of A is must be 0. So determinant A is 0 for singular matrix, and after simplify we have x is 3. Question number 2, find x if matrix A equal to 1 -2 3 1 2 1 x 2 minus 3 is a 3 into 3 matrix is singular matrix. So solution, since singular matrix means determinant equal to 0. Therefore determinant 1 minus 2 3 1 2 1 x 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now expanding along R1, so after expanding along R1 we have 1 and 2 2 2 2 1 minus 3 1 minus 3, and the position sign of matrix, first position is positive, the next is negative, and the next is positive. So first take positive, positive, next take negative, negative, third take positive. So first हमारा positive 1, then 2 2 2 2 1 minus 3, and second is minus 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 of 2, then 1x 1x 1 minus 3 1 minus 3. Next is take positive and positive 3 positive, then next take 1x 1x 2 2, this equal to 0. So after simplify 2 into minus 3 and 1 into 2, so we solve determinant by use this property. Determinant of 2 into 2 is multiply a into d minus b into c. So similarly multiply 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 1 into 2 minus 2, minus minus plus 1 into minus 3 and 1 into x, so, and take b negative for this rule. Next plus 3 1 into 2 and 2 into x, this equal to 0. So 6 and 6 cancel out, minus 8 minus 6x minus 2x is minus 8x, minus 8x is equal to 8 and x equal to minus 1, which is the required answer. Question number 3, find x if first determinant 2 4 5 1, this equal to second determinant 2x 4 6 and x. Since these determinants are equal, so we equate their values. So we equate these values of determinant. We have 2 into 1 2 and take minus 4 into 5 20, this is equal to 2x into x. So 2x square, take negative 4 into 6 24. So minus 18, this is equal to 2x square minus 24. Interchange the sides. This side is left, RHS tends to LHS and LHS goes to RHS. So we have 2x square equal to minus 18 plus 24. So we have finally x square equal to 3 and x is plus minus root 3, which is the required answer. Question number 4, find x if first determinant 3x x1 equal to 3 2 4 1. Since these determinants are equal, so their corresponding values also equal. So given that first determinant equal to second determinant, we find their values. So first is 3 into 1, 3, take negative, x into x square is equal to 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 4, and cancel out 3 both side. We have minus x square equal to minus 8, cancel negative both side, x square equal to 8 and x equal to plus minus root 8, and finally x equal to plus minus 2 root 2, which is the required value of x.